Want to create YouTube videos that attract thousands of views in just 5 minutes without showing your face, no editing skills, and no speaking on camera? Welcome to Petter AI Profit, where I share easy ways to make money with AI, even if you're not tech savvy. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, because at the end of this video, I'll reveal a powerful AI tip that can help you succeed. First, click the link I've placed right below this video in the description. It'll take you straight to the VideoGen homepage. When you land on the website, it might show up in a different language. If that happens, just click the language menu and switch it to English. Now, let's create a free account. Click the Sign Up button in the top right corner. You can sign up with your Google account, super quick, or just type in your email and password manually. Totally up to you. Yes, VideoGen is a paid tool. The most affordable plan gives you 60 minutes of video time per month, which is enough to make about 6 to 12 short videos. Not ready to commit for a whole year? No worries. I recommend starting with the monthly plan first, try it out, and see if it fits your workflow. You can always upgrade later. Once everything is ready, click the Generate a Video button. This is where the fun begins. First, choose a video template based on the kind of video you want to make. TikTok? Go with the vertical format, 9:16. YouTube? Choose the horizontal format, 16 by 9. Instagram? Use the square format 1:1. Each template is optimized for its platform, so pick the one that fits your needs best. Now it's time to tell the AI what kind of video you want to make. Just type in a topic or idea, like 10 simple ways to burn fat without dieting. VideoGen will automatically write the entire script, select the right visuals, add a voiceover. Don't have your own media files? No problem. VideoGen comes with a massive royalty-free library, so you're fully covered. Want to add your own branding? You can enter your brand name, choose a style, and even upload your logo. It's optional, but definitely useful if you're building a personal or business brand. Choose the language you want: English, Spanish, Vietnamese, etc. Then, select the length of the video you want to create. Very short, about 75 words. Short description, quick ads, social captions. Short, about 150 words. Brief intro, basic email. Medium, approximately 300 words. Short blog, detailed description. Long, approximately 600 words. Full blog, in-depth review. Very long, approximately 1,000 words. Detailed guide. Custom, enter your word count. Choose the right length for your goal. Now it's time to pick the voice for your video. There are tons of voices to choose from, male or female, youthful or mature tones, and in many languages: American, British, and Australian English, plus Spanish, French, German, Japanese, Korean, Chinese, and even Vietnamese. Just preview the voices and pick the one that fits your content or audience
VideoGen
best.
makes it easy for
Click the
anyone
play
to start
button to listen, then choose the voice that suits you best. You'll see 3 main options. Text. If you already have a script or dialogue, choose this to automatically generate scenes with AI voiceover. Title, screen. Use this to create a title screen, an intro, or to divide your video into clear sections. Write with AI. If you don't have a script yet, just enter a prompt and the AI will generate content for you. Choose the right option based on your needs to save time and create videos more efficiently. All done? Click Generate Video and let the AI take over from here. You'll see a progress bar while the video is being built. Depending on the length, it can take anywhere from 1 to 5 minutes. Once it's finished, you can preview it. And if you're happy, just hit download. You can export your video in high quality, 1080p or even 4K if you want. Not happy with your video? You can easily make edits to voiceover, background music, subtitles, even individual scenes in the video. You can drag and rearrange scenes, replace visuals, or adjust music volume, all directly inside VideoGen's built-in editor. Burning fat doesn't have to mean strict diets or deprivation. Start by moving more throughout your day. Take the stairs, walk during calls, or add short bursts of activity. Prioritize sleep, as quality rest helps regulate hormones tied to weight loss. Drink plenty of water, which can boost metabolism and curb cravings. Manage stress with relaxation techniques, since stress hormones can promote fat storage. Include more protein, fiber, and healthy fats in meals to feel fuller, longer. Already have your own script? Instead of letting the AI write it for you, just paste your own script, and VideoGen will turn it into a professional quality video. It's perfect for any content creator, whether you're a blogger, YouTuber, teacher, marketer, online seller, or someone building a personal brand.
Have you ever thought, a fragrance could tell a story? Hey there! Today I want to introduce you to a perfume that's not just about smelling good. It's about making a lasting impression. It opens with a fresh burst of bergamot, softens into a gentle heart of jasmine, and finishes with a warm base of sandalwood. This is the scent that makes people want to stay a little closer. Simple, elegant, irresistible. For those who want to stand out, without saying a word. So, have you chosen your signature scent yet?
And that's it. You've just learned how to create a YouTube video using AI in just a few minutes. Comment below and let me know. What keyword will you try first? If you found this helpful, give it a like to support me. And don't forget to subscribe to Petter AI Profit so you won't miss the easiest money-making AI tools I'll share in the next video. See you in the next one.